Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for watching this video. My name is Bagus Prasucaksono. I am postgraduate student at Communication Faculty Universitas Islam Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. At this opportunity, I want to present my research with title Personal Selling of Music Rhythm Dynamica Production on Social Media, which is submit to Social and Humanities Research Symposium Sores 2020 with the topic New Media Impacts, Benefit, and Barriers. My presentation is divided into four sections. Firstly, the introduction. Secondly, methodology. Thirdly, the result. And finally, the conclusion. It will take 10 minutes to cover the issue. Enjoy watching my presentation. My research title is Personal Selling of Music Rhythm Dynamica Production on Social Media. A case study on music rhythm dynamica production in product marketing using Instagram. I will start by explaining the introduction section. Music Rhythm Dynamica Production or MRD Production is a company engaged in the rental of event contractor equipment, which has been established since 2011. The products provided by MRD Production are quality products, as evidenced by the large number of events they product each year, which 185 events per year. The success of MRD production in marketing products cannot be separated for their promotional activities. The promotional activities used by MRD production are personal selling. The technological advancement at this time is developing very rapidly. This has caused many companies to switch to using the internet, especially social media, to market their products. As we know, personal selling is marketing that is done directly. However, in the current digital era, personal selling can not only be done through face-to-face but can be done through digital media. Because digital media can support the branding effort of a product because it has very wide reach. So digital media is considered a channel that has a cost-effective way to promote or advertise. MRD Productions use Instagram in their personal selling activities. This is because they think that by using Instagram, they can reach the market easily and quickly. MRD has unique personal selling on Instagram customer targeting activities, service in the form of show management and stage design and after-sales activity. On the methodology section, qualitative method is used for this research method with a case study approach. The subject in this research are Faris Lutfi, Fadlan Arik, Arya Arianto, Kaidi Kim, and Muhammad Fadel. The object of this research is personal selling MRD production using Instagram. To the test validity of the data using triangulation of source, data triangulation with interview, observation, and document. Now we enter the result and discussion section. This is a model of planning MRD production personal selling content on Instagram. In the first stage, they conduct marketing research so that they know what is trending in the event contractor business, so that they can get information about what kind of content is being liked by potential customers who use event contractor service. Then in the next stage, they determine what content will be used in marketing their products, because determining the right content will make information on MRD products conveyed properly to potential customers. Then the next stage they do is content distribution and content management. They post curate content from previous research. The content they post on their Instagram is in the form of photo and videos from previous event. This is to provide information to their prospective customers regarding the quality of MRD production product. MRD Production conduct content management in their content planning on Instagram. MRD Production control the content that they publish. For example, they determine the posting schedule. Besides that, they control the amount of insight from published posts. The fourth stage in planning MRD production personal selling content on Instagram is the content evaluation stage. This activity is very important because it will determine the success or fail of content has been published. With a content evaluation, MRD production will be able to find out the weak points of the content they have published. The second discussion is about determining the target of MRD production consumers through personal selling on Instagram. This is the model of discussion of the second point. First step is that they conduct market research first. The salespeople must research potential clients for MRD production starting from what event they will make. the estimation of how many prospective people viewers will come, and the demographic of the prospective viewers who will come. The steps intended to prepare MRD production of ring pitch for the prospective client. The next step is to determine the strategy that will be used in marketing activities on Instagram. MRD production in this step use advertising activities, where the ads function so that MRD production can get data from potential customer quickly and widely. One of uniqueness of MRD targeting is using an A/B testing. The next stage carried out by MRD in consumer targeting activities through personal selling on Instagram is to evaluate the market and market response. When MRD production obtain the data from the previous activity, MRD production start to conduct market response and evaluation. MRD production salesperson process the data that has been obtained to determine whether the target market is good or not to be determined as a potential market. Now we enter the third discussion, which is the implementation of personal selling MRD production on Instagram social media. The following is a model for this third discussion. The first step they took was conducting prospection, where they took advantage of the data research from the targeting activities they had done before. They used direct message on the Instagram to contact a prospective customer. When prospective customers have been respond to their message, MRD production immediately conduct marketing communication, which providing information about their product, starting from product availability, product advantage, product benefit, and the value of the products. This is very important to convey to potential customer because the needs of each customer are different. MRD production in communicating with potential customer via Instagram usually includes video and photo as supporting information to potential customers, so that potential consumers can be out about the quality of the products they have. After the product presentation, they start to sell their product. This is done so that potential customers make purchase from their products. Their strategy is to provide attractive offers from their potential customers, one of which is to provide show management, stage design, and even marketing sponsorship to their potential customers. After doing selling, MRD production they start an after sales activity. MRD production has unique after sales compared to their competitors, which they make a satisfaction survey that is given to the audience and even the artists who attend their customers event, which will be processed in the form of satisfaction survey data and will be given to their customers. We enter the final discussion, namely the reason why MRD production choose to use Instagram social media for personal selling activities. The following is a model for discussion. MRD production conduct personal selling through Instagram because of a cultural change in Indonesia, which the very high use the internet and social media. They feel that in the digital media era, they must be able to compete with their competitors, especially in reaching the market and providing product information to the market. Another reason why MRD production choose Instagram as a personal selling medium is to create cost-effective and time-effective marketing effort. With using Instagram, MRD production could make cost-effective financial management because initially they use a lot of salesperson to offer their products to potential customers, and this tends to require a long time. Unlike the use of Instagram, they can reach the market quickly and a very wide reach, which is where MRD production consider that having a large market is the key to their success. Finally, we enter into the conclusion of this research. MRD production takes an integrated marketing communication approach. They use personal selling with internet marketing to implement Instagram research. MRD production does a combination of promotion, which has always been known as a direct promotion, combined with the use of social media. This is of course a very unique breakthrough made by an event contractor company, because it can apply something new to business. MRD production choose to use Instagram in their personal selling activities because MRD considers that Instagram can be a solution to the shortcoming of personal selling that is done directly, which requires effort and takes a long time in marketing activity, besides requiring greatest cost. Although the use of Instagram in personal selling activities for MRD Instagram has been considered effective by their management, It cannot be denied that personal selling that is done face-to-face is still effective to use. Sometimes there are still many clients who prefer to communicate directly rather than communicate in the media sosial. Thank you for watching my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.